Hello, number fours. You are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and I am your astrologer, tarot reader, numerologist Himali Narsian, bringing you some news from the world of stars. Let's quickly look at how will the year 2021 be for you, followed by your weekly predictions from the 1st to the 7th of Jan 2021. So, getting back to the year 2021, 2021 sums up to number 5. Number 5 is ruled by the planet Mercury. Mercury is also the ruler of Gemini and Virgos. If you are a Gemini or a Virgo and you are entering your 5th year, which is equivalent to the 22nd year, 32nd year, the 14th year, the 5th year, the 50th year, or anything that sums up to 5, you are getting into one of your power years. Number 4s, last year was one of your own elements. We saw you making a lot of progress along with the industries such as information technology. Stock markets were comparatively okay. Gold did a lot well, and now this year we are going to see you making more progress. Last year was a stepping stone, and this year is definitely somewhere where you have to work hard, but you're also going to face some extremities when it comes to getting anything done. Number 4s, I see you investing a lot more into R&D. I see you involved a lot more into research and education. This is something that is going to help you further take a step and establish yourself as a renowned person around your society. Number 4s, what is the lucky color for you this year? The lucky color for you this year would be silverish, will be glittery gold. Anything that is on a shimmer tone is going to work very well for you. Number 4 is also ruled by Uranus and Rahu. So anything that you start to do, you need to be very, very careful in terms of what sort of informed decisions are you taking. If you are an investor or you would like to enter the share market, be very, very cautious that you're entering only for the long term. Invest on steel, invest on silver. Gold is not your element this year. You could also invest on real estate. You could also invest in the hospitality region. Also, you could invest on any IT firm, particularly any IT firm. This is something that's going to give you a lot of profits. So number 4, this was your week. This was your yearly update, like a quick review. We will keep talking about your yearly predictions and tips and tricks of how to navigate through 2021 along with your weekly predictions. So let's look at your weekly energies. Your general energies are Queen of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. I see number 4s working very hard, doing their thing, making their own money. Also contributing a lot to your family in terms of money, in terms of love, support, etc. You want to earn so that you could have a nice, lovable family. You may want to do some family vacations. You may want to go out with your family. This is the time where you feel that you want to earn so that you can support all these extra activities of your family, which is absolutely right. Number 4s, it's always good to employ yourself as a resource when it comes to money making. On the love front, we've got 8 of Wands and the Empress. Amazing cards for you, number 4s. 8 of Wands now tells us that all the difficulties you've been having when it comes to your love life is now getting away. All your hindrances are moving from your path, and you're moving and making much more stable progress. I see a lot of success. I see a lot of love all around you. You may be in a position where you are nurturing a lot to your partner. Your partner may be a lot more nurturing than you thought. If you have been waiting to conceive, or if you are someone who's wanting their wife to conceive, now is the time they're going to conceive. This week could bring you some good news, some happy, pleasant thoughts and happy, pleasant news. If you are someone who's wanting their wife to conceive, or who's wanting to become trying to become a family of 3, I would advise you to wear diamonds or ask your wife to wear diamonds. If you cannot wear diamonds, I would advise you to keep a clear crystal with you. You could keep a clear crystal tree besides your bed, on your side table, and I think that is something that should do the magic for you. If you do not have any such trees, you can order one with Ruhani guidance and we will send you an energized tree as per your intention. So this is something that you need to do on the work front. I've got the devil and the strength. So the devil here suggests that you may not be quite happy with your boss or with your authority figure. You may feel that they are mentally draining you. You are emotionally, mentally drained. They could make you do things that are not in your work profile, make you do things that you don't want to do. I see an abuse of strength here. This could be for a lot of materialistic things, greed, anything that's not legal could also be involved over here, and that's a pattern that you're going to see a lot more this year, number 4s, especially for you number 4s, because your ruler Rahu is going to make you do things that are not really right. But be careful of what you indulge in. Be careful, have your own inner strength, have your own inner power to dominate the situations. Do not do anything that you are not you're not consciously aware of. Okay, and looking at the lucky color for you this week is silver. The message for you is be persistent. The lucky number for you is 27. An advice from the romance angels is very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. And an advice from Archangel Gabriel deck is your work expands its reach as you partner with a professional who can help you. So if you are someone who's been like working hard a lot by themselves, you need someone to help you out, like a manager or or an agent. The crystals that you need to keep with you throughout this year, number 4s, is an amethyst. Also, you could keep a tiger's eye and a coconut jasper and a labradorite. These are your elemental stones that are going to help you a lot throughout the year. Apart from the monthly and the weekly predictions that we do, these are your base stones that you should be keeping with you throughout this year. So number 4s, this was your weekly prediction and a yearly overview, just a review sort of a thing. Please write to me if you like this reading. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, share my channel, help my Ruhani family grow. And until I do the next reading, you stay home, stay safe and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.